What do you do if we want to stop a persistent cough or clear up phlegm in Japan? What exactly should you buy at the drugstores? Tablets, syrups, throat sprays, and lozenges. You have so many choices, right? Before we look at the medicines, let's briefly understand symptoms. First, why do we cough? Coughing is actually your body's defense mechanism to clear your throat and airways. It helps to remove dust, viruses, or phlegm. Speaking of which, what is phlegm? It is a sticky mucus made when your airways get inflamed. So to treat these problems, Japanese medicines use a specific team of ingredients. Here is the diagram. The main difference is cough suppressant to stop the coughing reflex, and they are supported by expectorants to loosen the sticky phlegm and bronchodilators to help you breathe. Follow for expert tips